Friends, now don't afraid of accounting because this Tally course will increase your knowledge about computer world as well as your accounting knowledge for personal and professional life. In this course, you will learn many important things related to accounting in a very simple way. Additionally, you will be able to make various reports quickly and precisely. Plus, for you and your elders, auditors, bankers, and for your tax related work, you can create financial stock and payroll reports in a least time. This course will also tell you about voucher, currency, inventories, VAT computations, excise reports, and will guide you to deal with such difficult looking things. So, in personal and professional life, you will be able to confidently handle the accounting related responsibilities. This course also teaches about business management and data management in a very easy way. You can use this knowledge at job or in your business. Case studies given in this course will be helpful for you to avoid common mistakes faced in accounting. With the help of small exercises given in this course, will be able to improve your efficiency, as the learning of this course is easy and experience based. Anyone will be able to learn Tally and use it effectively. So let's begin this course and get proficient to use Tally in various areas.